Jezebel the crow is here this morning. There she is, guys. Our beautiful crow. She comes every day, usually in the morning around 8:30, and then usually late in the day. We give her some mealworms. She's eating them out of the coffee cup there. She's very beautiful. Yeah, you can hear her. Go ahead, Jessie. Don't let those mockingbirds chase you away. You're a good girl. She's been bringing us little gifts. Little like seeds and things. I'm not even sure what they are, but we find them right where we give her her food. Very cool.